Hola amigos, soy Kiran, bienvenido en clase de español. ¿Cómo están? Espero que todos estén bien hoy. I hope everyone is doing well today. Vamos a aprender español con un nuevo tema. ¿Están listos amigos para ver y aprender algo nuevo? So, are you ready to see and learn something new? So let's start. In this video we are going to see the negative, la nagación. So we have some negative words in Spanish and we are going to see how to use them. So are you ready? Let's start. Negación, lista de palabras negativas. So negative or the list of negative words. No. No means not or no. No or not. Nada, nothing. Nadie, nobody. And ninguno, one, none or no. Ninguno, ninguna or ningun. So we have three words when we use ninguno. Okay, none or no. Nunca. Nunca means never ever. Jamás means jamás, never ever. Jamás also means never ever. Tampoco, not even, nor neither, not either. Okay, nunca, jamás, never ever. So let's see how to use them. Okay, so first one is no. No. When we use no, we use no to directly negate a statement. So no is used to directly negate a statement or answer a negative question, like no quiero ir, I don't want to go. Or you can say vas a venir. When someone asks vas a venir, no. Are you coming? Answer is no. Nada. Nada means nothing. What is the meaning of nada? Is nothing. Okay. When we use nada, nada used to indicate the absence of something. Okay. Nada is used to indicate the absence of something. Like no hay nada en la mesa. No hay nada en la mesa. There is nothing on the table. No siento nada. I don't feel anything. So, next one is nadie. Nadie is used in sentence where you want to express the absence of people, okay, or to emphasize that there is nobody who fits a particular description or performs a certain action. Okay, so nadie to express absence of people. Okay, like no hay nadie en casa. There is nobody at home. Nadie puede resolver este problema. Nobody can solve this problem. Next is ninguno, as we learn about ninguno, ninguna, and ningun. Ningun also used to express none or not any. Okay, none or not any. When ningun are followed, when ningu followed by a singular masculine noun, then it lose the final o. When ninguno followed by a singular masculine noun, so it lose the form of these forms lose the final o. Okay, like ningun chico, no boy. No boy. Chico is a plural, sorry, singular but masculine. Okay, so we use ningun chico. Like no tengo ningún libro, सिंगुलर है और मस्कुलिन है. ओके, No tengo ningún libro. I don't have any books. Ninguno. Ninguno de ellos quiere venir. Okay, ninguno de ellos quiere venir. None of them want to come. Next is nunca. Nunca means to use to express that something has never happened or will never happen. Okay, as you know that we use nunca when something has never happened. Okay, like nunca he estado ahí. I have never been there. Él nunca me llama. He never calls me. Okay, jamás also never. Okay, like jamás also used to similar to nunca, used to emphasize that something has never happened or will never happen. Like jamás te perdonaré. Jamás te perdonaré. I will never forgive you. Jamás olvidaré este momento. Jamás olvidaré este momento. I will never forget this moment. Okay, tampoco. Used to express negation of something already mentioned. Okay, like no me gusta el helado. A mí tampoco. I don't like ice cream. Me neither. No fui al cine y tú tampoco. I didn't go to the movies and neither did you. Okay, one more thing. That we it is grammatically incorrect to use tampoco before no. So we can't use no like tampoco no me gusta. This is incorrect. So how do we say like that? We can say like no me gusta tampoco. No me gusta tampoco. Okay, tampoco me gusta. तो आप इस तरह से tampoco को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, nunca jamás, never ever. Nunca jamás, never ever. ओके, एंड emphatic way to say never ever. तो ये एक emphatic way है to say never ever, like nunca jamás vuelvas a hacer eso. Nunca jamás vuelvas a hacer eso. Never ever do that again. Nunca jamás olvidaré este día. Nunca jamás olvidaré este día. I will never ever forget this day. So guys, we are done our negation words. I hope you understand all the words and how to use them. So these negative words, Spanish can be used in various contexts to express negation, denial, absence or refusal. So I hope you like it and you might use them. Okay, so these words are versatile and can be used in both formal and informal contexts in spoken and written language. Okay, amigos, so I hope you like the video. If you like, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.